Xiaomi 12 Pro is officially on board. Xiaomi is all on the internet after teasing some specification and design. Xiaomi 12 and 12 Pro have been confirmed for 28 December launch in China. We saw official images, cases, but here is the final product. It's having 4 different colors: black, pink, blue and green, with curved screen edges. As I told you in previous video, 120Hz refresh rate, 2K FHD plus resolution, 6.2-inch screen with punch hole camera, which got 32 megapixel selfie shooter. As you can see the quality of front camera. Here is the actual picture of Xiaomi 12 Pro screen. This is the prototype spotted in China with the thick Xiaomi case. There is officially camera specs is coming out. Xiaomi 12 uses Sony IMX766 50 megapixel main camera, fast time focus, and Xiaomi 12 Pro uses Sony IMX707, which is more powerful. 1.2-inch dual PD focus, 49% in screen in light input. Here you can see Xiaomi 12 Pro using cyber focus, which track and focus object like cyber dog. There is the official teaser of cyber focus. There is also confirmed that Xiaomi is using 120 watts fast charging in 12 Pro, which 5000 mAh battery, which can charge 0 to 100 in just 15 minutes. Xiaomi uses Mi UI 13 out of the box. Xiaomi is using Samsung's 12-bit display, which is gonna be the next level device. That's all for now. See you in the next video. Thanks for your love and support. Peace out.